Okay, good morning. My name is Rifki. I'm as the team leader. I'm specialization at the motor control system. Today I lead our discussion about L298N motor drive system.
Good morning, I'm Bintang, the specialist component. I will explain the protection component, the diodes, capacitor, and regulator voltage in this system.
Good morning, I'm Abian. I'm the circuit analyst. My responsibility is to analyze the switching transistor and signal control of the schematic.
Okay, today I will describe the system. The system consists of a voltage regulator, a transistor control stage, and L298N drive motor.
The function of IC 1LM117 is to provide a stable 5-volt supply. It's powered by filter capacitor C1 at 1 nanofarad and C2 at 100 nanofarad.
This operates at 5 volt of this logic section. The NPN transistor Q1 and Q2 switch, the ENA and the ENB, send signal to L298N and controlled by the R4 and R5 resistors.
And the L298N motor drive motor DC, they have some M1 and M2. Their input has enable 1 to enable 4, and the diode spike is to protect the IC from voltage spike. Okay, now let's say if the motor aren't rotating, I think the problem might be at the enable pin, and the current not enough to reaching the L298N. What do you think?
I think one of the feedback the diodes will also to be provided, which would pull the output load.
In my opinion, the Q1 transistor did not separating properly because the base transistor failing. Sorry, base resistor failing.
Could you explain why we use two capacitor on the regulator input instead of one?
Sure. If the base current too low, the Q1 won't fully switch, and so the enable signal never reaches the L29N.
And test D1 plug D8 in diodes or on the multimeter to check for any short circuit.
My recommendation is also to verify the LM1117, and I'll check that. And also, Bintang, can you check the diodes?
I think 100K is fine. It keeps the transistor without drawing too much current from the supply.
Okay, I suggest we can start by measuring the base current Q1 and Q2 using the multimeter. Maybe I can handle the transistor section.
Do you agree on 100K, or would you go lower?
And maybe the capacitor 1 using a low frequency ripple, and capacitor 2 handle the high frequency noise. They each other have complement to cleaner supply. Okay, now we already described the L298N motor drive system, and we identified the potential of from transistor control stage and diode flyback. So we propose the solving. We can testing with using multimeter and verifying the 5-volt voltage output. Maybe the task we can among our team. Thank you.